Hi Kentucky, this video is for the Pick 3 Tic-Tac-Toe method for your state, the L shape. If you are new here, all I do in this type of video is I'll go through and look back about 30 days approximately and see if any of those patterns will help us figure out numbers in the next 7 days that may potentially hit. Right, so also it is scorching hot in this room right now where I'm recording, so the fan is on. So I do apologize for any background noise if you're hearing that, but it's too hot in here to turn it off. So apologies in advance if you're hearing that. All right, so for your state, it seems like it likes Thursdays for this method. All right, and then on Thursday, April 13, 2023, 320 fell, and then the past three without was 993, 205, 545. And I did forget to say that the math in the video will be lottery math that's calculated. So all right, so on the right-hand side, you have 3 plus 5, which is 8. You add the 5 there, that's 13. You keep the 3. And then that middle column, 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 4 is 15. Keep the 5. And that left column, 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. Keep the 9. And then I'll go back to the this part in a second, okay? The steps to set up the tic-tac-toe box for the L shape is after you know the sum, so 953 in this case, you're going to start from the right to the left. You're going to write that out, 953, so the way I wrote it out there, they're circled. Then from there, you're going to mirror the 9, which equals 4, and place that in the middle. So that 4 is in the middle there. And then you're going to add 1 to the 4 equals 5 and place that to the left of 4. So, as so. And then add 1 to the 9, and then that equals 10, but you're going to keep the 0. So you're going to put 0 on the top of the 9 and the left of the 9. So, like this. All right, and then you're going to add 1 to the 0, which equals 1, place on top of 0, and then you're going to add 1 to 1. So that equals 2, and place 2 to the left of 1. So, okay, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Place that on top, and then add 1 to the 1, so that equals 2, which is to the left. And then for that week, the next 7 days, the numbers that fell were dayside 215 and 501, nighttime 031, 502. This will be the only example I'll be covering as far as giving the steps out. I did go a little bit fast, so just make sure to pause it and write it out as I go along until it makes sense. And then here we go with the rest. All right, and then on April 20th, 2023, 665 fell, 501 before that was 708, and then before that was 215. The sum there was 079, and then I did write it out as I already discussed earlier. And then on the day side, the numbers that fell on the next 7 days from that were 139, 903, 651, and then on the night was 769, 239, and 703. All right, and then on April 27, 2023, 053 fell. Before that, prior 3, 651, 895, 433. The sum there, 822. Again, it's written out just as discussed prior. And then your day side numbers 384, 918, 812, and nighttime was 940 in the next 7 days. All right, and then on May 4th, 2023, 639 fell. The prior 3, 667, 881, 676, which gave 643. Gonna write it out. And then the day side numbers 638, 871, 643, night 747 was what fell in the next 7 days that were in this box, okay? All right, so based on what we just covered, I'll cover the potential numbers in just a bit. So on May 11th, on Thursday, 994 fell. The prior 3 was 640, 857, 175. The sum 456. Then write that out and complete the box. And then based on what I already covered in the video, the potential numbers for the next 7 days, 466, 659, 456, 554, 506, 476, 574, 095, 676, 760, 755, 655, 566, 057. One thing or a couple things to keep in mind is that it is a little bit tough to catch the doubles with this method. So the numbers may fall like how I don't have them listed here. So it may fall like 505, 496, and so on. Also, we're headed towards the end of the month in a little bit as well, so do not discount the numbers that have already hit if you like them for repeat numbers, okay? All right. That is it, Kentucky. If you do have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.